Industries such as electronics, chemical, pharmaceutical and food and drink depend upon pure oil-free compressed air as a safe, clean energy source to drive production lines. Sometimes the compressed air itself plays a key role in the manufacturing process, coming into direct contact with the product being created, so it is critical that the purity of this air is maintained at all times. Compair has an extensive range of pure air oil-free compressors from the DH series to our groundbreaking Ultima models that are reliable, efficient and trusted by organizations around the world. All pure air compressors are not only certified Class 0 oil-free, but also 100% silicone-free. Designed and manufactured in Germany, the DH series of completely oilless single-stage pure air compressors range from 15 to 110 kilowatt. With working pressures from 5 to 10 bar and flow rates of between 0.3 and 18.6 cubic meters per minute. Oil and silicone-free compressors that deliver beyond expectation. The DH series is compact, with the 15 to 22 kilowatt model having a footprint of under 1.2 square meters, and the 110 kilowatt model covering just over 3 square meters. Their acoustic absorbing design keeps noise levels to a minimum between just 61 and 75 dBA, making the DH perfect for point-of-use applications. The heart of the DH series is its single-stage air end. Its innovative screw and gate rotor technology is sealed, cooled and lubricated with purified water, supplied via an integrated water purification system, consuming a maximum of just 20 litres per day. Compression in the DH series is achieved at slow rotational speeds, allowing for the use of sealed-for-life bearings. It is powered by an energy-efficient IE3 motor with the possibility of a build-to-order upgrade to IE4. This drives the compressor element directly, so there is no requirement for a gearbox, eliminating the need for associated oil lubrication systems, unnecessary friction, heat and noise, which would all equate to wasted energy. The DH series includes regulated speed models, which can exactly match air demand at all times, making them even more energy efficient. All models come with Icon remote monitoring, allowing proactive servicing and a 6-year Pure Care extended warranty as standard. The 15 to 110 kilowatt DH series. State-of-the-art water-injected oil and silicone-free air compressors.